filing the Texas RITS monthly report in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to generate the Retailer Inventory Tracking System report, review the figures, and file it. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Compliance, TX Compliance from your dashboard. This is your monthly RITS filing for Texas, Retailer Inventory Tracking System, required by the Texas Alcoholic Beverage Commission. The filing calendar up top shows exactly when it's due. Select the reporting period, then click Generate. The report pulls together your shipment and inventory movement into Texas for that period. Review the pre-filled figures against your own shipment records. Quantity, product category, and destination should all line up. Once it checks out, click Download to save a copy. Then click File. The status updates to Filed with a timestamp, so you have a clean record of every period you've submitted. Texas runs its own monthly cycle, separate from your federal TTB filings.